All right, family, this is a big project. This is not a how-to video. This video is me doing some stuff that I need to do. And I'm gonna tell you guys, when this bike fell in Colorado at the Garden of the Gods, there's a couple of things that took place on this bike that I didn't mind, and I'm gonna show you guys. So, right here, this has gotten bent right there, that got damaged. And then under here had gotten some scuffs. Under here had cracked, this cracked. That I don't mind that. And it got scuffed right here, which I like that. These are war wounds, right? But here's a major problem, and you guys should be able to see it. Look at the space between this and that. And look at the space between that and this. It's a huge difference. Look at this. I could put almost 2 fingers in here. This doesn't even budge. Not even 1 finger goes out. I'm not trying to give y'all the middle finger. Hold on. Maybe I am. But look, we got to take all of this off. Everything here got to come off. I've never done it before, but there's a whole metal frame that connects all of this together. I got to pull everything down. Yes, and guys, I got lights on here. I got to do a lot. So I'm going to take off the seat so I can have access to the electrical wires. I got to reroute everything, and it's going to take me a couple of days to get this job done. It ain't going to be easy, but we are going to start off with taking the seat off, then take off the mirrors, take this off, and then before you know it, bada bing, bada boom. I got my son right there, got my nephew right there. They're here looking. They know I'm crazy. Y'all know I'm crazy. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give that thumbs up like this. Sensei, baby, with that Goldwing, boy. Hey, y'all ready to get that Goldwing? You need to get a Goldwing. Look, Goldwing, 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 Goldwing. That's sold. This is not. Oh, yeah. That's a Goldwing over there, too. And over there, that's also a Goldwing. Just an F6C. All right, enough yapping. We're going to time-lapse this, and we're going to make it work. Let's go. All right, so you guys got to see everything in speed mode. Now it's just a matter of me getting these wires out now and just figuring out how they got this thing set up, because the way they got it, oh my gosh, they are not playing around, man. Every turn is a problem. Here we go. Got that one out. I'll just connect this back. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to connect it back because I need to get this wire through this main wire harness. Has to go all the way through here, and these are some thick wires. So let's see if everything fits. Okay, that all fits. That's good. That's a plus. All right, let's see if we got anything else connected to this. All right. And that is the whole piece. Here we go. Okay. This is the piece that was bent. And we're going to get this taken care of. All right, did I say I'm going to go back to sleep? I tried. Can't do it. I can sleep later. We are going to get this stuff put together, man. We're going to do it and finalize it as much as I can right now. And yeah, guys, let's do this. We're gonna put this back in that time lapse. Get all this done. I'm gonna open up the box, and from there, let the music rock. If you guys are with me still, welcome to the madness. All right, let me show you this. If you pay attention to this really well, you look in the right side, okay? You can see the bend. This side here does the correct thing, okay? I mean, the right side is the proper bend. The left side, it's going opposite. It's a curve going outwards, and that's where the bend is at. If you pay attention to it, you will see it, okay? You will definitely see it. I see it 1,000,000% right there. You know what I mean? So let's do this. With no Colorado spring balls. And for space saver, I'll put the old one in that box. I'm gonna hang it up on the wall. I'm not throwing it away. And here goes the new one. Bam! Let's go.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush.
All right, so far, what we got, I didn't want to just do this time lapse forever. I got this put in, I got that side put in right there. We're gonna fill in this gap right here. I lost one of the damn screws. Please remember, your Goldwing eats screws. I'm serious, it eats screws, okay? It eats it.
Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about for.
Yo, I made a super damn mistake, yo. I'm a little bothered by this, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I messed up my bike, took the whole thing apart. I thought it was gonna be pretty easy to change out the bar. I got the bar off, put in the new bar, but somehow, some way, the bar got messed up, and then I end up cutting the main wire to the harness. So now I'm gonna have to go and order. I'm just playing. Get the hell out of here. Jacko's back, baby. Come on. Yeah, I think I may get the hell out of here. This bike is put back together, back to normal. I got it. I got that piece fixed. So now, when I look there, I see the gap that needs to be had. Because remember, that's what I was fixing. That gap, right there, right there. Now we are even, solid, ready to go. Turn the bike on. Everything works as it should. My UT turns on. My lights are all connected back on. My UFO underglow lights are back on. My front lights are back on. This thing looks amazing. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you guys, the whole layout of this bike, this Goldwing, is the truth. You know what I mean? I love it. I love it. It's time for me to do another review on this Goldwing. Get you guys my full layout. But we're gonna be doing a review on this one that I took from the dealership. This is not mine. We're gonna do a review on that. Now, while we're here, let's turn off some of these lights so you can see how I got this bike lit up. I know it's kind of bright still. It's not as dark, but hold on a second. Let me just hit this light off. That way you guys can see how this thing is lit up. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. Your boy's crazy. I'm not afraid of tackling these things on these bikes. At the end of the day, you can mess it up only one time. That's my mentality. I go, baby, go. I don't waste no time. All right, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get these miles. Let's get that money. Let's get those muscles. I'm going to get some miles tomorrow, though. Peace.